Today on Naturally Tammy Lynn. Hi everybody, today I'm making classic chili cheese baked potatoes. So good. Let's get started. It's been snowing here for 3 days, and with another fresh snowfall this morning, I'm staying in and making one of my favorite comfort foods, chili cheese potatoes. Before putting the russet potatoes in the oven, I rub them with olive oil and poke a few holes in them. Russet potatoes make a perfect baked potato, and they're loaded with nutrition. I bake these potatoes at 350 for about 45 minutes. While the potatoes are baking, I'm going to make the chili. I'm chopping up 1 large onion, 1 green jalapeno pepper, and 2 large cloves of garlic. I don't like my chili too spicy, but if you need it hotter, you could add as many jalapenos as you like. I'm using some olive oil in the pot to fry up these veggies before adding the meat. These will be ready in about 5 minutes, and you want to be sure not to caramelize them. Now I'm adding some beautiful extra lean ground beef. I've spent the last 3 days shoveling snow, and it's such a pleasure to spend some time inside cooking something good to eat. Whenever I make chili, I like to add the spices as the meat is cooking, and here I'm adding the chili powder and cumin. I'm opening up a can of tomato paste, crushed tomatoes, and kidney beans. You also need a can of diced tomatoes, but I'm using some tomatoes that I had frozen from my garden. Be sure to give the kidney beans a good rinse. Chili is so easy to make. Now that the meat is browned, I'm just putting everything into the pot and giving it a good stir. I'm adding a tablespoon of brown sugar to counteract the acidity in the tomatoes. My chili is turning out a little thick, so I'm adding a cup of wine to water it down a bit. You could choose to add beer or water or even some beef broth. The chili's been simmering for about a half an hour, so I'm checking on the potatoes. I like to use a fork to check if the potatoes are tender all the way through, and it looks like they're done. As I take these out of the oven, the baked potatoes and chili are smelling so good. Aged cheddar makes a perfect topping for these chili potatoes. I'm finishing off the chili with a little taste test, and I need to add some salt and pepper. potatoes have cooled off for about 10 minutes, so now I can put together my chili cheese baked potato. A little sour cream makes it absolutely perfect. This is such a satisfying meal, and the chili and cheese go so well with the baked potato. I love it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.